Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the ASUS ROG Zephyrus AI gaming laptop 16.0 inch, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You guys, are you ready to talk about one of the most exciting gaming laptops I've seen in a long time? With its insane specs and features, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus AI gaming laptop 16.0 inch has all the makings of a beast on the battlefield, or at least, that's what it promises. For those who are new to gaming laptops, let me tell you, this is not just for hardcore gamers. Anyone who wants an immersive experience and top-notch performance should be keeping an eye on this one. The display alone is enough to get your heart racing. 240Hz and OLED, baby. It's like having a super smooth, cinematic experience right in the palm of your hands. So, what makes this laptop tick? Well, for starters, it's powered by a beast of a processor that'll make even the most demanding games shine. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 is not just a pretty face, it brings serious power and speed to the table. And with 32GB of RAM and 2TB of storage, you can expect silky smooth performance that'll keep up with even the most intense gaming sessions. But what really sets this laptop apart is its portability. Weighing in at just under 4 pounds, it's easy to toss into a backpack and take on the go. And with Thunderbolt 4 and USB 3.2 Type-C ports galore, you'll never be stuck without a connection. Of course, no gaming laptop is complete without some complaints. I did find that the battery life could be a bit better, but let's be real, when you're having this much fun, who even notices? In all seriousness, though, this laptop has been a joy to use. The keyboard is responsive and comfortable, the display is stunning, and the overall build quality is top-notch. Whether you're playing games, working on projects, or just browsing the web, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus AI gaming laptop 16.0 inch delivers. So, should you shell out the cash for this beast? If you're a serious gamer looking for a laptop that can keep up with your demands, then absolutely go for it. But if you're on a tight budget or just need something for casual gaming and browsing, you might want to look elsewhere. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.